Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to upload custom fonts, how to add custom fonts in Canva mobile. Right now I'm going to open Canva mobile phone, and here the application. First we have to download a font which we want to upload it on Canva. I'm going towards Google, and here I'm just going to download. Okay, you can download any font you want. Just write the name here. If you want to click on popular, go here. Want to so I'm going to download this railway. So we need in OTF good font is in this font is in script. Just going to click on download. So the file is downloaded. Click on open, click on check to, then click on. This will be in internal share. It will take few seconds. Now we are going back to Canva. Then we are going to click on menu, and you will see this option brand. Click here. Here is option brand logos. Keep this one also, and here is the option brand. I already uploaded some of the fonts here. As you can see, there are a lot of fonts, Photo and Gilroy. So we are going to upload another one. Just click on upload a font. Then you have to go back to your internal storage, and then you will see the folder name Great Vibes. This is a folder, and here is the file. Just click here, and then you have to confirm this. You have to acknowledge the rights. Click on yes, upload away. Now font is uploaded. Wait for a few seconds. Okay, so I think a few seconds, and now you will see uploaded. Go to home, plus icon, custom size, or you can just any custom size, 1080 by 1080. Upload text. Here you have to click here and just write your 81. Search for font types. You can drag it big if you write Rehan name. For watching this video on my Ansari's YouTube channel. Boom. So in this way, upload custom font channel Canva mobile phone. Hope you like this little tutorial.